Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marion and I do fashion DIY videos. So on today's video I'm doing this necklace. It's a corded necklace, so rope or cord and then threaded with shiny embroidery thread. It can be customized by adding beads or whatever you want, and you can make a matching earring like the previous earring tassel earring I did, so watch that if you haven't. Anyway, let's get into making this. So the things you need for this tutorial, you're just going to do the basic one. We're not adding the beads on this. Maybe next time I'll do one where we're adding beads, but you need a cord, you need your thread, different colors. I'll be using the orange and white, and then you need your caps. You need 2 of these to cap the end of the necklace, and then you need a clasp, any clasp of your choosing, and of course you need 2 jump rings. So to start off, I'm going to measure the size of necklace I want. You can do any size. I want mine to be a bit fitted to the neck, so I've just measured that and I'm going to cut that out. I'm using a knife because the cord is thick. By the way, you can do any size of cord. This is just the cord I had on hand. After you cut that, we're going straight into the threading or wrapping around the thread onto the cord, and you're just going to go around the cord. It's really easy but time consuming because the thread is thin, so just wrap it round. You can go back if you have spaces that are not fully wrapped, it won't really show. And to add thread, it's really simple. Just add the thread if you're changing color, that is, and go over it a few times to secure the new thread, and then continue on. You can do as many colors as you want. You can do just one color. It's just as simple as that. You see the thing already forming with the colors, and I've gone a while, so I'm changing so that I have on my right side the undone part so that it's easier to work on the cord. So just continue on until you reach the end, and you want to tie all the way to the end, and then you can cut off your thread and make a few knots at the end there to just secure it. I think I made like four knots. Or if you have glue, you can go ahead and glue that edge just to be extra sure that it is secure. Now it's time to finish up the necklace, and I'm going in with my needle and thread, punching in from one side to the center bit of the cord. Oh yeah, not your edge, the end of your thread so that it's secure. So yes, I'm going to go from one side to the middle of that cord. Then I'll put in the cap Then I'll take the jump ring and pass the needle through it, then back into the cap, and then I'll just go from the center to one of the other sides on the other side of the cord. So I went from one side into the cap, into the jump ring, back to the cap and out the other side. And you can do this once more just to secure it more, but it's not a must. Once you're done, you can just wrap that remaining thread on the edge there, and then pass your needle through the cord a few times to kind of secure that part. Then go ahead and cut that out, and then you can melt off that remaining thread just using some fire. Melt it off, secure it, and then you can take the clamp, open up the jump ring and put it in, then close up that jump ring. The clasp, not clamp. So the clasp is on one side. Then you're going to do the same for this other side with the cap and jump ring. Put it through the jump ring. Put in your jump ring, I guess. Then back into the cap and through the cord on the other side. Then you're going to take this thread around that cord at the edge there. Yes, and then to secure it, I'll just pass the needle through the cord a few times. Then cut that out, and then you can melt off the excess threads that are hanging. You can then put in the clasp on the rest of the jump ring on this side, and there we have it. So you see, it's easy to open and close when you put it on, and there we have a nice simple rope necklace. And yeah, that's how it's looking. You can go ahead and add some decorations. If you have beads or stones, you can glue them on, you can thread them in. I'll do a video where I add beads onto the necklace. But yeah, so this is how it's looking. Really like the colorful necklace design, and you can pair it with your earrings if you want. It's too much maybe. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.